Hi, I'm Jeff, and this is how to subtract a percentage in Microsoft Excel. Now, a percentage of anything is something out of 100 of that thing, a portion of that thing. So we're going to start from basics and go from there. You can see in my Excel document, I've got an 80 in A1 and a 20 in B1. I want to find out I want to subtract 20% of 80 from itself. Over here in C1, I'm going to start my equation. It starts with an equals always, remember that. And I'm not going to type this in order, so follow where the cursor is. Remember that a percentage is always something out of 100. So in this case, it's B1 out of 100. That's good to know. Now, if we multiply that, that's the asterisk, if we multiply that by A1, we get that percentage of A1. We're going to put that in a set of parentheses right here and go back to the beginning so that we can subtract it from the original A1. Once we have that, hit enter to make sure you confirm your function, and you'll see that you get exactly 20% off of 80 as a 64. Obviously, that's useful if you're having a sale. I'm Jeff, and this was how to subtract a percentage in Microsoft Excel.